Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend After-Tax Yield Calculator for wealth planning and how investors can understand their real dividend income after taxes. First, start with the pre-tax dividend yield. This is the annual dividend per share divided by the current share price, then multiplied by 100. For example, if a stock pays $4 in annual dividends and the share price is $100, the pre-tax dividend yield is 4%. Next, identify the tax rate on dividends. Your tax rate may depend on your income level, filing status, and whether the dividends are qualified or ordinary. Therefore, using your effective dividend tax rate gives a more realistic result. After that, calculate the after-tax yield by multiplying the pre-tax yield by 1 minus the tax rate. For example, if the pre-tax yield is 4% and the tax rate is 15%, the after-tax yield becomes 3.4%. Then, use this after-tax yield to calculate your real annual dividend income. For example, if you invest $100,000 and your after-tax yield is 3.4%, your after-tax annual dividend income will be $3,400. Moreover, you can divide the annual after-tax dividend income by 12 to estimate your monthly income. In this example, $3,400 divided by 12 gives around $283.33 per month. In addition, this calculator helps you compare different dividend stocks based on real income, not just headline yield. A stock with a higher pre-tax yield may not always give the best after-tax return if the tax rate is higher or if the dividend quality is weak. Furthermore, after-tax yield is useful for wealth planning because it helps you budget with more accurate income, reinvest wisely, and understand how much dividend cash flow you can actually keep. Finally, remember that tax rate, dividend type, country of investment, and state tax rules can all affect your final after-tax yield. So, focus on after-tax income, dividend quality, and long-term consistency instead of only chasing high yield. This calculator is for educational purposes only and does not provide financial or tax advice. Always consult a qualified professional for guidance based on your personal situation. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.